guys, hope so you all are doing well. Please subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed it. So today we have to solve the question that how to multiply two different number. So first write the number.
Then multiply the last two digits 3 and 2 and write it. Multiplying 3 with 2 give us 6. After that multiply the number in cross mean, multiply 2 with 2 and 9 with 3. After multiplying add the result, that is 4 plus 27, which is equal to 31, so write 1 here below and carry the digit 3. Now multiply the first digits 2 and 9, which is 18, and add the carry 3 in it, which is 21, and then write it here, which is the required answer. It take 2 seconds when you solve it.